We are cooking dumplings. Vegan dumplings. And this is my mom's first cooking show that we're gonna cook together. So here you can learn with
an interesting little day plan.
No, Mom, you
out
look
of the
great.
shower, working all day. Look.
Sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on. That's when you're the prettiest.
Zero
I hope
makeup.
that you don't take it wrong.
No, I don't love makeup.
Yeah, but my mom is a great chef, and she is going to run us through some little dumplings. Okay?
Who cares? Doesn't even need to look pretty as long as it tastes good. Doesn't matter. Oh shoot! Say two.
That little clump out of the way. Do you think we should get the part that's just sitting on the corner?
Like that? Because they hit my dress.
So we take a dumpling.
And we bought these at the Asian market.
And then the filling is a bunch of things.
Filling we put shallots, corn. Nope.
Okay. She's making up things.
No.
We
The
put
corn.
little
Okay, the
bowls
corn
in
did
there.
go in the microwave when I was making the rest of this, so maybe that's where my mind was at. So shallots, carrot, celery, bok choy, and tofu, and egg.
Okay, seriously, like I can't step here. Good girl. Tell us something about yourself.
A trigger word for me is to be called normal. I do not like to be called normal.
So what are you if you're not normal?
Anything but normal. I don't ever want to be.
No, but you.
That's like a
What are you?
Like, excuse me, I'm not normal.
What are you? Exceptional, extraordinary.
I'm sure I'm something to each individual differently, but I'm not normal.
I love that. We're not average around here. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
Those are fighting words. Like, call me normal.
Has someone called you normal, Mom? What? Let's uncover it. Let's unpack that. Where did you get that? Who traumatized you?
You're normal. I'm like, no, I'm not. I've worked really hard not to be normal.
Cheers. Wow. So there's so much flavor. I'm actually impressed. Those are like better. Those are better than the restaurant. Those are better than, things I've had across the world. But you know what? I think that's what happens when you have your mom's cooking versus cooking from like restaurants. It's just not the same because there's so much love. Oh, now you're gonna wake up and look at who it is. Look at how cute you are. Look at you, little ew. Are you kidding? Want a bite? Mom, you are exceptional.
Not normal.
Extraordinary.
Different. I even like to become, when someone says, you're crazy, I'm like, I worked really hard at that. And I am so proud to be called crazy. It makes my day. I start smiling. I'm like, I feel so good today. 'Cause they recognize my internal. I am crazy. And you're right. I truly am crazy. Like, people treat crazy like it's a bad word.
Yeah.
Crazy is a lot of things.
I love you. It's okay.
Yes.
You're an amazing cook.
I've created many recipes. That's maybe someday I'll share with everyone.
You will share. She already has a whole freaking book. One day it will be out.
One day.
One day it will be.
Put the dumplings.
Yeah, let's do that because those were like actually like divine. I love you.
Love you.
I love you.